menta kala asngi ublei ka arpau sau tarik unaitung arjara paulai. Urakam esang ma ubade Myntri katanat education jong ka sarkar jala ulahir Nongstoiñ ban Plie ka college batmai jong ka KJP Synod Sepngi. Haka shnong Tiehsaw ha Nongstoiñ. Haka te ka jiwan Plie jong ute Myntri ya ka college. Lasan ran lang da uba Gabriel walang MLA ka Nongstoiñ, uba Himalaya syang pliang ki pastor jong ka KJP Synod Sepngi rengkat kinokit kam jong ka governing body jong ka college batmai.
We are here to inaugurate this Synod College Nongstoiñ. We pray that will be with the sponsoring body of KJP Synod Sepngi. We thank you, O Lord, because you have enabled your church to inaugurate this new college today. Pray that you will open our mind, our thought, so that we can adopt the changes of the time. Make the teachers, the board members, and all who are to be responsible and that to make this college instrument of the holistic ministry of the church.
Synod has established a new college to make humans to be the better one tomorrow. Honorable, let Tiehsaw speak of the Lok Sabha. He used to say in the parliament. I think it is almost at the end of his days. Maybe it was one of the, towards the end of his days that he spoke in the parliament. What is spoke? In the midst of all the turmoils against the minority in different situations, what is it? In India, in this great country, the Christian institution has contributed a lot. Christian institution doesn't mean to convert Hindu into Christian, the Muslim into Christian, anybody into Christian. No, it's what he was quoting the quote from the Mother Teresa. But Mother Teresa said, unquote, I convert. It is what Tiehsaw said in the parliament. I convert, and we convert Hindu to be the better Hindu. We convert Christian to be the better Christians. We convert Muslim to be the better Muslim. Our objective is to convert human being to be the better human being. Therefore, friends, I'm extremely happy today for this new college. And it's my prayer that this college will meet the purpose, will serve the purpose. I believe this college will produce great human beings from this region, from this district, from this state, from this country. Therefore, I would like to request all the governing body, all stakeholders, let us show the responsibility to make these institutions a unique. The testimony of these institutions will flourish. And let the world know the uniqueness of these institutions is which we pray for and will shoulder the responsibility. My friends, we have lots of measuring scale. We have a richer scale to measure the earthquake. We have thermometer to measure the temperature. We have different measuring scale to measure some things. But what measure the human development? I think that education is a measuring scale to measure the human beings, to measure society. Any society, any individual who are educated, they always do differently. And their testimony is always different, my friends. Therefore, along with the government of Meghalaya, I would like to request the Synod, KJP Synod, and all church leaders of all denominations, let us soldier the responsibility to make our state as one of the model states in the country in the education sector. We have a potential, but maybe we have not converted our potential, our asset for the world.
Nongstoiñ Synod College. So it is a blessing for a Nongstoiñ, the first minister of education who come not for a review meeting of the department, not for anything, but he came for the purpose of imparting knowledge and wisdom to Nongstoiñ through the vision of the Synod. I also extend my thanks to the governing body who are just newly elected today and declared. Nakuha tu dia travel kat berarti, nakabahaw ang kran nakakasi. Naso po sinong wajong nakran nakaparing nasupong kamyo kabahaw ang kran nakakasi. Ka berta ko kongsan kabayi bagi radon tang Myntri college ang epon Nongstoiñ. Kadon sa kani ko college katlo kalau kajingkemen. Kabishan ka jompi kabalapan kala ko kabishan ka manunta gasni. Ba kalong ka tisisham da gasni. Pagka jingkan mau ke jompi yang au syakri bari ke jompi. Kalong ko korridor bangani don mentalan ber college ke jompi ha ki pun ba ni benda. Lagi don kami na kano benda. Lagi dei scheme, lagi dei banjo scheme na ka government, lagi dei nangal na ka government ngan dia travel ka berpi. But kuno kanang labang kintiyo ya kani college. Makani ka college kamdei ka college na ka banta jong kabalan. Hari ka college na ka banta jong kajat penri. Baka jungan jong kani college kalapan mentoy sibune. Ya bomba ki kena iba pli di bom don pisang ka jing kordet jaga kamai ka yo ka kot bom nom shu menda. Ban lek pa school se shalom, pa college se shalom balalong ka besitam. Ka jing pli kani college. Kalau kuman aiban sim diam, sashi sim. Ya tu ki kena ki balak. Snow ya lade be kila kudla. Ban lek shalom ban puli, tak daw ki kui pa kila shem ba kiduna. Manta kalau aiban sim ya ki manong bakladon hajan. Manginang la ban yo bian ya ka jing puli ko bian. Tengah sukuman ber masuk ai kublai ka Synod ti ro ko. Kane ka jing i jampi. Kalau ban saindor pengkela ya ka Nongstoiñ. Pengkelabian ya penai musim yang ikut samlah itu, maka jangan di start kadang hajan. Barang ini sekarang college kan bapek tang ya ki tang ya kecil pule. Kan nyarap lo kuno bang kentiau lagi kena. Hakabah kuno kinang lah bang pas kantan haki exam di bapek competitive exam di bapek. Malbon ki kena di jungi hengi pun Nongstoiñ. Nasosi banong ba hado mentatang wing magistrate ko ng pagda. Pengen sekarang ba lang ba jiwan naman ni college halo gasni in sayo di IAS bertu magistrate. Di man sensyar lam ya kari kanong Nongstoiñ jongi. Di man lo ka jiman toy na ta ka inlang ka salang jongi. Pengen sekarang ba hinya tare rangkat na ta ka jiba na ta ka thok ro ba kam tam ne na ta ka buram ka jong play.